So do you intend to wash your bags? Well, coming in number 4 in the world of bag making mistakes I see is bag makers not preparing their fabrics according to whether or not they will wash their finished bag. G'day, it's Christine Welsh here from ChrisW Designs, and I'm here to help sewists just like you to make bags and wallets that look so professional nobody will believe you made them yourself. It's really simple, truly. If you intend to wash your bag, then you should pre-wash your fabrics. Both the exterior and the linings, and the interfacing too. Everyone loves the crisp new feel and smell of new fabrics. However, if you intend to wash your bag, trust me, the look of the bag with shrunken fabrics, especially where the lining shrinks at a different rate to your exterior fabric, it's not a good look. So how do you pre-wash? Well, if you intend to hot wash your finished bag in the machine, then hot wash your fabrics too. But remember, not all fabrics are created equal, so check the washing instructions for your particular fabric type first. If you will hand wash your bags only, then pre-wash by hand. Of course, if you only ever intend to surface wash your bag, then by all means use the fabric without pre-washing. I do. I hardly ever dunk wash my bags, so I mostly don't pre-wash my fabrics. However, when my kids were in school and I made their backpacks, I used to always pre-wash the fabrics in a hot machine wash because I knew they were going to get mighty grotty. And I'm too lazy for hand washing repeatedly every month or two. If you sell your bags, always include a label so the buyer knows whether to surface wash only, hand wash, or toss it in the washing machine. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for bag making mistake number 5 coming soon. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell to be notified of any new bag making hints and tips coming up. Let me know in the comments below whether you like to pre-wash or not. Catch you later.